Bio is an experimental Lisp dialect similar to Scheme with an interpreter written in Zig. Features include macros, garbage collection, error handling, a module facility, destructuring, and a standard library. The core of Bio is lambda expressions, from which the standard library builds syntax like type and fun. The documentation and language are still a work in progress. For up-to-date examples, it is recommended to study st.lisp, test.lisp, and the files in the examples directory. To build and run the code, clone the repository and go to the root directory. You'll need a recent master build of Zig, last tested with version 0.13.0.60 plus D841F4B8E. You can run the REPL by executing zigout bin run examples/triangles.lisp. You can also import files to evaluate them from the REPL, for instance, using import examples/albums.lisp. The language reference explains that a bio program is made up of one or more S expressions, which are atoms or lists. Atoms can be numbers or symbols, while a symbol can be a sequence of UTF-8 code points that is not a valid number. Naming conventions in bio involve using question mark suffixes for predicates, exclamation point suffixes for destructive actions, and ampersand prefixes for sentinels, among others. Intrinsics in bio are building blocks for the standard library and user programs. Examples of intrinsics include nil, t, f, and more. Standard library functions like char, cdr, const, list, filter, map, quicksort, while, and many others are included in bio for various data manipulations, arithmetic operations, and list processing. Modules in bio follow a convention that wraps module contents in a lambda call, making the environment available to the importer. Modules have defined properties like module name, module version, and an optional module description. An example module in the examples directory, called mod.pos.lisp, showcases how modules can be imported and used in a bio REPL environment for creating and interacting with points and locations. Bio is a versatile Lisp dialect with a range of features and functionalities, providing a unique approach to programming and language design.